In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean my Dewalt planer rollers. Initially, I was thinking it's an issue with the blades, but I was definitely wrong. Stay tuned. Here, I was trying to force the oak board, but looks like it doesn't go anywhere. And this board was previously stained. And later down the video, I learned that you shouldn't put a board that is stained in the past and as dirty as this. That's a very straightforward reason for it to skid. Yeah, I was giving another attempt here to force the board, but halfway down the line it just wouldn't pass through. Looks like my blades were actually fine. Here, I took a paper and just started wiping the rubber rollers without anything. I heard that you should not be using different chemicals because it might eat out the rubber. I heard somebody was trying to use WD-40. Probably it would have been okay, but I thought, okay, let's use just a paper and just wipe the board and the rollers. And yeah, and the results are really good. And I also noticed that having a board that is oily as this is also not that great. I put my headset on, powered the planer back on, turned on my vacuum, and just going through this another round. Initially, I had to push it a little bit because if you see, I still have not cleaned the board. I'm lazy at this. But here I reversed the board, and to my surprise, it went in really easy. So two things I learned in this video is it's fairly easy to clean your rollers, and try not to use a board that is very sticky, so the rollers would stick to the board and you wouldn't have a good experience. Probably if you could just wipe off the stickiness with some rag or something, that really helps. Thank you for watching.